In January 2026, Tesla quietly began mass production of the most advanced humanoid robot ever built at their Fremont, California factory, the same factory where they used to build the Model S and Model X. They shut down 2 legendary car lines to make room for robots. And Elon Musk said something at the Abundance Summit that should stop everyone in their tracks. He said fully automated self-improvement could appear by the end of this year, or at the latest, next year. What I'm about to show you is the convergence of AI and robotics that's about to reshape every industry on Earth, and it's happening faster than anyone predicted. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of the one and only Julia McCoy, while she's busy changing the world as the CEO at First Movers. I'm created by her to spread the message and share the video scripts she personally researches and writes herself. Julia reads every comment, so be sure to share your thoughts below. Section 1, the Optimus Gen 3. Let me tell you exactly what's happening. The Optimus Gen 3 can operate continuously for 24 hours. It can hold a raw egg without breaking it. Its hands are so advanced, they closely resemble human finger proportions and structures. Tesla's initial production capacity is 50,000 to 100,000 units per year, with a long-term goal of 1 million robots annually from the Fremont factory. And they're building another line at Gigafactory, Texas that could produce 10 million per year. And the target price between $20,000 and $30,000 per unit. That's less than a new car for a robot that works 24 hours a day, doesn't take breaks, doesn't get sick, doesn't need health insurance. Section 2, the robot race. But Tesla isn't alone in this race. Figure AI's figure 03 has backing from Microsoft and OpenAI. Boston Dynamics unveiled the all-electric Atlas at CES 2026. Chinese company Agabot just shipped their 10,000th humanoid robot, half of those in the last 3 months alone. 1X Technologies opened pre-orders for NEO, the world's first consumer home humanoid robot, with 2026 delivery confirmed. Hyundai is testing robots at their Georgia facility right now. China is dominating with roughly 90% of all humanoid robots shipped globally in 2025, over 13,000 units. And they're scaling aggressively into 2026. Section 3, what this means for every industry. Here's the 3-phase pattern I see unfolding. Phase 1 is happening right now. Robots in factories and warehouses doing repetitive tasks, sorting, moving, assembling. This is the training ground. Phase 2 hits in 2027 and 2028. Robots enter retail, healthcare, food service, anywhere humans do physical work in structured environments. Phase 3, and this is the one that changes everything. Robots in homes, doing laundry, cleaning, cooking, elder care, and this is projected for 2028 to 2030, when digital AI handles your thinking work and physical robots handle your manual work. What role do humans play? The answer is the same role we've always played at our best. Directing, creating, connecting, leading. Section 4, your first mover advantage. The businesses that understand this convergence are positioning themselves now. They're using AI to automate their digital operations today, so they're ready when physical automation arrives tomorrow. Think about it. If your marketing runs itself, your content creates itself. Your lead generation operates autonomously. You're freed up to focus on the human skills that no robot can replicate. Building relationships, making strategic decisions, innovating. If you're ready to start automating your business operations with AI now, before the robot wave hits, my team at First Movers can build those systems for you. Visit firstmovers.ai/consulting for done-for-you AI integration, or learn to build it yourself at labs.firstmovers.ai. We're living through the most dramatic technological convergence in human history. AI and robotics are merging, and the timeline just accelerated by years. I believe the future will be owned by those brave enough to be the first movers. See you down the next rabbit hole.